Let's fill out the Rhode Island dog bill of sale together, so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you've just purchased a dog, your state has some important protections you should know about. First, let's talk about illness. If your new dog becomes ill within 20 days after purchase, you have options. You can return the dog to the seller for a full refund of the purchase price, and also get reimbursement for reasonable veterinarian fees for diagnosis and treatment, up to the amount you originally paid for the dog. Or, if a replacement is available, you can exchange the dog for another one of comparable value, and still receive that same reimbursement for vet fees. And if you'd rather keep your dog, you can do that too, and still receive reimbursement for those reasonable veterinary fees, again up to the original purchase price. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.